Before I discuss the solution, firstly watch this clip. If you are a Valorant player, you will know that after Rena's ult, low-end PC often experience lag and results in deaths, especially if you are using a skin weapon and doing an ace. Pay especially attention to the last 2 kills in this clip, you will realize the lag. Alright, now the background gameplay you are watching is using this tool. I have played the game using it and it's far smoother. Even though I'm recording with OBS at 1080p 60 fps, so all the manual methods related to optimization on my channel are automatically applied through this software. You don't need to worry about FPS. The main reason is that it works on all PC, but having at least 4 cores is preferable. With better PC performance, the tool runs services close in the background and you will get improved performance, that's all. Listen. Yes, it's honest true. I have been using this tool paid for a while, even though my Discord friends know that a friend bought it for me initially, but now by chance the same software from Omitech company and its partners is giving it away as a Christmas gift. So I thought it's a better way to share this tool with you along with all its features. There are many other interesting tools on their website, so go there, download it, and you will find the rest of the method in the notepad when you download it. Now that I have downloaded this tool, let's install it. While installing, it will ask for an activation code, so click on get activation key. And you will be redirected to a website where you need to enter your email. You will receive an email, open it, create an account with a username and password, and you are good to go. Now simply you need to copy the license key and paste into your software and click on activate now. Remember, it's for lifetime. You can just go ahead right now and download it and use it. You'll enjoy this tool. This software has 30 features, but let's talk about the best 3. I mean, every feature is awesome, but 3 main features that I like. The number 1, PC cleaner. So the interface is look like this, so just click here and you'll get here the 3 top features. PC cleaner, clean all your junk files, explorer caches, browser cookies and cache etc, and your Windows cache etc as well. Number 2, auto tuner. This feature is fun when turned on. If you launch an application, its priority will automatically be set to high. If you need more performance for that specific application, it will close other services and newly launched applications, allowing your desired application to perform with maximum efficiency. And the last one, game booster. Now I assume everyone knows what a game booster is, even though I have explained it earlier in this video. This is our main topic for today. Just remember to turn it on only when you want to play a game, otherwise don't use this option. The reason is that it works only with gaming applications. It prioritizes gaming applications, closing other services, which may cause your other applications to crash or lag. So turn it off when you want to use other applications and turn it on during gaming. That's all. I hope you will like today's videos. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.